Hello, friends. Here is a report from today's economy section of the Safaq News website. The value of the US dollar increased against the Iraqi Dinar on Wednesday in Baghdad and Erbil, the capital of the Kurdistan region, following the market closure. A correspondent for Safaq News reported that the exchange rate rose in Baghdad's central Kiefa and Harithia markets, reaching 149,100 dinars for every $100, up from 148,900 dinars earlier in the day. In local exchange shops in Baghdad, the selling price stabilized at 150,000 dinars per $100, while the buying rate was 148,000 dinars. Similarly, in Erbil, the dollar saw an increase, with a selling rate of 148,900 dinars and a buying rate of 148,800 dinars per $100. Meanwhile, Iraq's Minister of Finance, Taif Sami, held discussions with the International Monetary Fund (IMF) regarding financial and banking reforms aimed at supporting Iraq's economy during ongoing meetings in Amman, Jordan. According to a statement from the Ministry of Finance, the discussions centered on implementing the 2024 budget, improving spending efficiency, and balancing the country's financial resources with economic goals. Key topics included strengthening non-oil revenues, reducing dependency on oil income, and exploring banking reforms to meet global economic trends. Minister Sami emphasized Iraq's commitment to financial stability and structural reforms through international partnerships with organizations like the IMF. In other energy news, Ahmed Musa, the spokesperson for Iraq's Ministry of Electricity, announced on Wednesday that over 300 companies representing 50 countries would participate in the Renewable Energy Conference, set to take place at the Baghdad International Fair from October 24th to October 26. Musa stated that the conference is an important opportunity for both local and global companies to explore Iraq's renewable energy projects and investment opportunities. He reiterated the government's focus on diversifying sources of energy, including plans to operate 536 government buildings using solar energy. Additionally, Iraq has launched new projects in the energy sector aiming to produce 15,000 megawatts of electricity, marking significant progress in the country's energy production over the past 2 years. In the oil sector, the Iraqi Ministry of Oil reported on Wednesday that oil exports for January exceeded 103 million barrels, based on data from SOMO, State Organization for Marketing of Oil. The majority of these exports, approximately 102.3 million barrels, originated from Iraq's southern and central oil fields, while smaller quantities were exported to Jordan and from the Qayara field. In banking updates, the Central Bank of Iraq revealed that external transfers accounted for over 95% of its total sales in Wednesday's currency auction, amounting to $288.62 million. Most transactions were directed towards external accounts, with only a limited number of local firms participating in cash purchases. Iraq's economy is also taking further steps towards modernization. Ali Al-Alak, governor of the central bank, announced on Wednesday plans to introduce a digital currency, which will gradually replace paper currency. The move aligns with global banking trends and forms part of Iraq's broader digital transformation efforts. As for gold, prices fell in both Baghdad and Erbil markets on Wednesday. In Baghdad's Al-Nar Street Market, foreign gold, 21 carats, was priced at 607,000 dinars per mithqal, 5 grams, while Iraqi gold, 21 carats, sold for 577,000 dinars per mithqal. Similar price reductions were also observed in Erbil. Additionally, the Iraqi Ministry of Planning announced on Wednesday that the poverty rate in Iraq had declined to 17.5% in 2023, compared to 20.05% in 2018. The data is part of a collaborative survey conducted with the Kurdistan region and the World Bank. Notably, provinces like Mutana and Babil still report higher poverty rates, while others, such as Dinar and Nineveh, have shown significant improvement. Finally, oil prices from Iraq's Basra crude saw a slight decline on Wednesday, with Basra Heavy dropping 2.31% to $73.45 per barrel, despite global market prices for Brent crude slightly rising. Thank you for listening in, and I hope this update from Safaq News helps keep you informed about Iraq's economic developments. Stay safe and take care.